let's discuss some more feature like header. Now, what are headers? Headers are the text that has been placed at the top of every page to provide some additional information. Similarly, footer. It is placed at the bottom of every page to provide additional information. Point to be noted. Header at the top of every page, footer at the bottom of every page. Any additional information you want to. So, how we are going to insert header and footer? So, for that, we're going to insert tab, and in the insert tab, we are having the option header and footer. I simply select the header and choose the format as per my choice. Let's say this. I have retyped over here. Now, to insert the footer, I simply choose the footer option and choose the format as per my choice. Now, let's say I have typed over here, right? And on the right hand side, you can find that page number 1 has been written. Now, after inserting the header and footer, do not forget to close the header and footer. Now, what you will see that on page number 1, MS Word demo, and at the footer it has been written. On page number 2 it is by default came as these are the headers and the footers. Now what next we are having? Tables. Now what are tables? It is a grid of rows and the columns which is used to present information in tabular form. Do you remember the timetable of your class? Exactly, it is in the tabular form. So how we are going to insert that? So for inserting tables, what one has to do? Go to this insert tab and click on the table option. And from here, I have to select the number of rows as well as the number of columns. Now when I select it, I simply can type. Now let's say I want to insert one more row out above it. So I have to go to the layout tab and click on the insert row above. So this is how I can insert a row as well as the column by choosing the insert cell right and left. Now let's say I want to insert one more row. So I have clicked one more time and select it, and I want to merge these columns. So I have selected and then simply click on merge. You can find it out that there is a row but no column, or you can say a single column. Let's say I have written over here marks, and in the third column, let's say I want to split my cell. Split means I want to divide it into two. One cell, two columns. So for that, I have an option called split cells. I simply click over here and I have to specify that how many columns I want and how many rows I want. Let's say I want two columns and one row. So I have written like this. So in this way, I can split my row, I can merge my row, I can insert row, I can insert column, and this is how I can complete my table. So in the design tab I have certain designs as well, so I can also apply any of the design as per my choice and make my document beautiful. So choose any one of them for you. So that's all for today in this video. Stay safe and be safe. Thank you, students.